Hi guys, Chef Sarasola here and welcome to Dowell's 12 Days of Christmas Recipes. Masarap, madali, at syempre affordable. Kaya tara, let's go! Today, gagawa tayo ng dessert na favorite ng marami, lalo na mga coffee lovers, ang classic creamy and indulgent tiramisu cake. At syempre, easier and of course, mas masarap with the help of Dowell 𝗁𝗵𝗶𝗀 Coffee Maker at yung Dowell stand Stand Mixer. This will give our coffee its bold flavor and signature ng tiramisu. Super dali gamitin at consistent ang lasa every time. Okay, nag-brew na tayo ng coffee using, of course, my Dowell 𝗁𝗵𝗶𝗀 Coffee Maker. In a bowl, combine your coffee, water, and your sugar. Okay, we're now adding our cream cheese, a bit of vanilla extract, and our sugar. The Dowell 𝗁𝗵𝗁 Stand Mixer. It has powerful motor and multiple speed settings. Mabilis tayong makakuha ng stiff peaks pero perfect for tiramisu filling. Kung doubled na ang volume, ihala din ng cream cheese. Mixture until smooth and creamy. Okay, now let's dip our bizcocho sa coffee mixture natin. But not too much, just para lang maging moist siya ng konti. So pag matagal, baka madurog siya. Okay. And then you just layer it down. Now time to layer our cream on top. Okay, now add your and then we will chill this overnight. Super easy, super sarap at restaurant quality dessert right at home thanks to my Dowell 𝗁𝗵𝗁 Coffee Maker for that perfectly brewed and syempre yung Dowell stand Mixer para sa smooth and fluffy cream. Ako si Chef Sarasola. Try ito sa mga bahay ninyo and wishing of course all of you a Merry Christmas and remember, life's easier and mas masarap with Dowell.